ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs, Patrick Chinamasa, has disclosed the team he worked with at party headquarters to draft the legal resolutions that led to the removal of the late President R.G. Mugabe from office in 2017. Sabida mashoka mdanyu kwa pana babu subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipa pana papa yendo chiti in a post attributed to his account on X, formerly Twitter. The former finance minister revealed that he collaborated with the two young party members to craft the critical resolutions used to oust Mugabe. Kelvin Manyenkawana, a ZANU-PF youth leader from Manicaland province and now a member of the ZANU-PF Central Committee, was along with Warahidzo Zifudzi, one of two young and trusted legal practitioners whom I drafted into the ZANU-PF legal team that prepared the resolutions passed by the ZANU-PF Central Committee on Sunday, 19th of November 2017. These resolutions made momentum decisions about the future of our country. You want to highlight Manyenkawa's academic progress and his impressions of China, where he is currently pursuing a master's degree in law. Chinamasa emphasized the importance of Zimbabwe drawing lessons from China's work, ethic and development strategies. He linked these lessons to President Emerson Mnangagwa's vision for the nation. Toma Shukanaito bana Patrick Chinamasa achiexposa bana wakashana navo kuplana the coup yakaitika muna 2017. Mashoko arikuonekwa kunze this coup yaka affecta vagari venyika yeZimbabwe to a great extent. Zvinoonekwa kunze vanhu vari kuchema, vanhu vari kuungudza nezviri kuitika munyika nekuda kwevakomana ava vakakonzeresa. Ane chibotu dzemafungiro enyu kuti munoti kudii, kuti do you miss my days panga pachina R.G. Mugabe, kana munoona sokutoti vaIdhi Mnangagwa vari nani? Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.